On the Airbus side, United's aging A319 and A320 fleet will see gradual retirements, shrinking from 159 aircraft in Q1 to 139 by year's end. The most significant reduction will occur in Q4, with 15 retirements, signaling a slow phase-out of United's older Airbus narrowbodies. Meanwhile, the airline's A321neo and A321XLR fleet will expand, increasing from 35 aircraft in Q1 to 57 by Q4, reinforcing United's move toward newer, more fuel-efficient Airbus models. For regional operations, United's 50-seat aircraft, ERJ-145XR, CRJ-550, and CRJ-200, will grow slightly from 167 to 173 jets, while its larger 70 to 76-seat regional aircraft, E175, E170, CRJ-900, and CRJ-700, will remain steady at 255 aircraft.